all-new 2022 Lexus NX with its 2.4-liter turbo, all-new 8-speed transmission, and standard all-wheel drive. Designed and engineered with the future of luxury in mind. Featuring the debut of Lexus Interface, the next-generation multimedia system with an expansive 14-inch touchscreen, ushering in a new era of intuitive in-car experience. And now, a Lexus first, the NX plug-in hybrid with a 36-mile all-electric range and standard all-wheel drive. A near-perfect balance of performance and efficiency. The NX design has been thoughtfully considered with leading-edge technology. The NX beautifully exceeds luxury customer expectations with innovative tactile interactions and refined functionality. Make a bold impression wherever you go. The NX doesn't just reimagine what a luxury crossover can be, it utterly transforms it. A personal refuge of convenience, comfort, and immersive color. Wherever the road leads, the NX stays connected to you. This is what defines the Lexus NX. Personal, intuitive, amazing. Hey Lexus, take us home.
For now.